This is the maiden flight. He must be having trouble with the ailerons. Immediately, it started going upside down. Now he's having trouble with the rudder. Okay, Dimitri. Everything's cool.
No, it's just That's good. That's good. But it was just the wind. I was just flying it out, see what happens.
This is the rear carburetor DL-30.
Oh, is this the rear carb?
Yeah. First tank of fuel. Dimitri breaks them in good. We got 7,000 on a JC20/7. We haven't touched the needles yet from the factory. They seem to be okay.
This engine broke the wheel?
This is the first tank, buddy.
Are you shitting me?
Keep the airspeed up. Airspeed up. Airspeed up. Take it what you got.
Nice.
Airspeed up. So, let's see. What do you think?
I think it's good.
It's good. Okay. Maiden is over officially. Did you turn it off? Did it turn itself off? It's got an automatic off switch. Okay.
Oh, wonderful.
The new DL-30 has an automatic off. Probably a little lean on the... What do you say, Tuna? Lean on the bottom end?
I'd say slightly lean overall.
Overall, okay. Okay. Well.
And I would actually, Rich,
slide in and see what happens. Why did it squeeze the nose?
remember, you don't, on a gas engine, you don't need to run them rich like you do a glow engine. You lean them out and let them run.
Okay.
We'll start it again.
Okay.
So you should really set the high